I've been making and selling Christmas decorations for the marketplace, and I may have found the quickest one to make that makes a huge profit. For this project, all the wood you need is half of a 2x4. Before making my first pair of skis, I made a prototype tip to confirm what I thought. That with the full thickness of a 2x4, you can make the curved tip, while you just need half of the thickness for the ski's body. Here's how I use half of a single 2x4 and resaw it into two skis. I use my prototype tip to trace the shape on the side of my 2x4. You can make this shape by eye on your first pair. As you can see, it's a very simple shape. On the other side, do the same shape but flipped around. Join both those lines with a straight line that goes exactly through the middle of the 2x4. On the bandsaw, by following those lines, resaw the 2x4 into the two skis. Once the skis are separated, trace the pointy tip. You can prepare it on paper first so both skis are the same, until you have a template to copy. Cutting the shape is half the job. You still need to sand the curves to look nice, and pin the end of the ski with sanding. I start by doing the underside and sides on the belt sander. I finalize the shaping with my oscillating sander. Make sure the tips are thinner than the curved part, for it to look like actual skis. Measure the length of the skis you want, or at least make them both exactly the same length. I measure it, then cut on the miter saw. Sand the rest of the bodies of the skis smooth. It will be a little rough on the top side because of the resawing on the bandsaw. Paint the skis with an exterior ready paint, as most of the people buying them will use them outside for a decoration. To attach the skis into an X shape, I add glue, clamp them together and drive 4 screws on the back. I added a giant Christmas bow in the middle of the X with a stapler. Be creative and find something that looks nice for this tip. I got the bow at the dollar store. I tried to keep my costs to a minimum when I'm selling stuff. But adding stuff like this is what makes the difference between selling and being ignored for those who did add them. All done. The skis are going on the marketplace, same as those sleds which I've been selling a ton of in the last weeks. I sell the skis for 40 and the sleds for 60. Good luck making some money this holiday season, and thanks for watching.